Welcome back to video 2 in this full video series where we're looking at how to create surveys using Juji. In video 1 we used the survey template. It's a good starting place, but you're obviously going to want to edit it. Let's start by adding in another question. We're going to click the plus sign. We're going to take this new card and move it so it's directly after card 2. What do you enjoy doing in your spare time? We're going to select it. Click Request User Input, and we want multi-answer, multi-choice question. We're going to ask the question, and then we're going to provide 5 options. We're going to add 4 options: every day, every week, every month, a few times a year. Then we're going to add in another question. Click the plus sign to add a chatbot question or message. Drag it to the position we want, which is after the last question we created. We're going to request user input, and again we're going to select multi-answer, multi-choice question. The question this time is, what kind of games do you like to play? Once we've added several options, it's saved. Next, we just want to do a preview. You'll notice now that additional to the preview we saw in video 1, we now have our new questions. Ava asks, how often do you play games? Hit submit. Ava asks, what kind of games do you like to play? Choose all that apply. And submit. So we're able to see that you can add a single answer multiple choice question into your survey, or you can add a multiple answer multiple choice question. Let's go back to the design. So we're going back to the question, how often do you play games? And we're going to browse down to customize chatbot response. In this section, it tells us if the pre-built chatbot responses you saw above do not meet your needs, click on the button below and add your custom chatbot responses. So we're going to click on plus custom response. We're going to select trigger 1. User choice is every day. And then we're going to add in a custom response. We're going to create an extended reply and create new remark. You'll notice that T14 has now appeared on the left. So if we click that, we're going to select plain text and we're going to say, wow, you must love playing games, and I guess you are also a super player. We now need to make sure that T14, the response to the customer's input, is in the right position, which it is. How often do you play games? And we're going to preview. So now when Ava asks, how often do you play games? And I select every day, Ava will respond specifically to the answer I gave. In video 3 of this full video series, we're going to look at how a Juji chatbot can ask open-ended questions.